Hello everyone, welcome to GreyPot. Today's recipe is a really healthy salad and this is creamy and delicious. So let's see how to make this chicken pasta salad. Before we start the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to GreyPot and click the bell icon to get all the notifications and updates from our channel, which is completely free. First, let's cook some pasta for our salad. Now in some water, add in some salt and a dash of olive oil. Now here I've used elbow pasta, but you can use penne or even falafel, works really well. Now cook the pasta till it is al dente and then strain it and keep it aside. Now let's prepare the chicken. Here I've used one chicken breast and onto that spread in some salt and pepper powder. Now heat some oil in a pan. Add in some crushed garlic. Saute it for a couple of seconds. Now place the chicken piece on top of the garlic. Now cook both the sides of the chicken till it gets golden brown shade. Now take a bigger bowl to mix the salad and into that add in 1 cup of mayonnaise. Here I have used homemade mayonnaise. You will get the recipe for the homemade mayonnaise in the description box or click the I button above. Now into the mayonnaise add in 1 cup of fresh cream. Add some dried parsley and some pepper powder. Mix it up. I have added enough salt in my mayonnaise, so I'm not adding more salt, but if you want you can add it. Now here I have taken some diced veggies like some chopped onions and diced green capsicum, red capsicum and some black olives. You can also use green olives. I really love the taste of olives. Now add in the cooked pasta and the fried chicken and mix them all together. If you want your salad to be more creamy, you can add more mayonnaise or cream. So there it is, our tasty and creamy chicken pasta salad is ready. You can add more ingredients to the salad like cooked tuna or even boiled egg tastes really great in this salad. So definitely try out this healthy, delicious salad and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to get subscribed. Watch more unique recipe videos from our channel GreyPot. Do check it out. Thank you.